Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can blur an image in Canva. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser and search for canva.com. Once the official website opens up, sign into your account and your recent projects will be displayed. Now, either open a recent project or create a new one to continue. Next, go to the Upload section and upload the image you want to blur. Then select the image on the canvas and click on Edit Image from the top. After that, navigate to the Effects section and scroll towards the right end. Here, you will have two features that you can use to blur an image. You can either use the Blur tool or the Auto Focus tool. First, select the Blur tool. Inside it, you can choose Whole Image and increase the intensity to blur everything. Alternatively, you can select the Brush feature and then brush the specific parts you want to blur. Similarly, in the autofocus section, Canva's AI will automatically blur the background of the picture, allowing the subject to stand out. So that's basically how you can blur an image in Canva. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.